Hey guys, so this is gonna be like maybe the beginning of me starting to do instructional videos for you guys on top of the resources that I post for you on Google Classroom from YouTube. So mines are gonna be uploaded on YouTube too, just so you know. And then I'm gonna just post the link on Google Classroom. So I'll probably just title it like Mr. H, blah 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 blah, whatever section it is. So I know 9.5 checkups and the quizzes are going to deal with converting logs to exponentials and then vice versa, exponentials to logs. So I want to review that a little bit because I know we did that before we left. So just bear with me with my writing because I'm probably going to be using like my other laptop for this, but just bear with it. So I know we did rewriting logs to exponents and then exponents to logs. Oop. Okay. So pretty much, so let's go to full screen. Okay, so then we know that the before when I gave you the notes in class, we had a base, right, with some x with the some exponent called x, and then we have the solution, right? So that's the same as or equivalent to if we want to write it to log base of the base, our solution is equal to our exponent. So we have the base, and then we have the exponent x equal to some solution, which is the same as rewriting it to log. So log base of the base equal to the solution is equal to the exponent now, the exponent. So just a little maybe like I'm probably gonna use one of the examples from the checkups. That way like you guys are on track with it. So let's do one of the examples. Well, two. I want to do two because one of the questions for 1 through 5, and then one of the questions from 6 through 10. So for let's do which one looks kind of okay. So for 1 and 2, they look a little weird because I don't have a base, but let's do two. So it says log. Oh look, I already made a mistake. Okay. Hello. Okay. So you have log, and then it doesn't show you the base. Log n equals 23. Okay. So when you don't see a base, okay, pay attention. When you don't see a base, assume it's 10 because whenever you don't see the base, it's always 10. Okay. So now I have log base 10 z equal to 23. Okay, well, it wants us to convert this into exponential equation. Well, we know that the exponential equation looks like b to the x equals y. Okay, so my base would be 10. Okay, and then that solution here, the z, is equal to my solution. So then I have y equals z, if that helps. Okay, and then it's equal to my exponent. So the exponent is x, so I know that's 23. So then, just turning it into exponential, now you have 10, the exponent, which was 23, the solution, 23, is equal to z. So now we're going to find what z is. So now let me just get the calculator out. So I posted a calculator on Google Classroom that they're allowing students to use. So just scroll down with the links, and then you should be able to find it. Ten to the hold on, let's do this. 10 to the 23rd power. Okay. So it's a really huge number. So where's my pen? So it's going to be a really, really big number. Okay. Okay, so then I'm okay if you left it like this. 10 to the 23rd equals z. Now, if you had like 10 squared, let's say like 10 squared equals z. That's not the answer, but let's pretend it was. Just solve that. It was 100. Okay. Now, let's do an example from the checkup. Let's do let's do one that has the e in it, because that's scary, right? E. Well, let's do two actually, 6 and 8. Okay. So 6 has 3x to the 5th. Okay, and I want you to turn that to log. Okay, so no, the log looks like log b x equals y. Oh no, sorry, the other way around. It's log by equals the exponent. Okay, so now your base would be 3. So now I got log 3. And then you have your exponent, and then you have the solution. My solution here is 5. So I'm going to put 5 where that y is. Log base of 3 of 5 equals x, the exponent. And that would be your solution. Okay. Now, how would we do the e? Well, let's do that over here. We have e to the 5th equals x. Okay. Now, e is my base, so let's put log e. What's my solution? X equals is always, remember that the log is always equal to the exponent. So we have 5 here, so we're going to put 5 here. Now, whenever you have e, remember we said that's the natural base when we had class. We did that a while back. So now that converts to something we call natural logs. So we're going to put ln of x equals 5. Ln of x equals 5. So here, when base is e, change log, change log to natural log. Natural log, and it's still going to be equal to the exponent. So ln is still the exponent. So that's a few examples for you. I'm still going to post other resources. So bear with me. I'm still trying to get used to all this. So hopefully that helps. If you have any questions, just leave a comment. You always know you can do that. So let me just exit out of here. And have a good day. Hopefully that helps for your checkup. Don't forget quiz on Monday.